Welcome to AI Studio. Let's make AI practical. Welcome back, I'm Nora Byron, and this is part 2 of our AI music video tutorial series. In part 1, we created our AI avatar character with Google Whisk, generated an original song using Suno AI, and built level 1 and level 2 music videos using still images in CapCut. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I'll put a link in the description and in the cards. Make sure to watch that first, as we'll be building on everything we created there. Now it's time to take your music videos to the next level. In this video, I'll show you how to animate your images with Grok AI, add realistic lip sync using DreamFace, and apply professional effects and transitions to create a studio quality AI music video. Let's dive in. Level 3, animated images with Grok AI. This is where your images start to move. Here's the process. First, complete level 2, so you have all your images. Then, go back to ChatGPT with this prompt. This ChatGPT prompt will generate the Grok AI animation prompts required to animate your images using the Grok AI Imagine feature. Open the Grok Imagine feature. Click on your profile in the bottom left and select Settings, then click on Behavior and turn off Automatic Video Generation. Take those prompts to Grok AI. It's free to use with a Twitter/X account. Upload each image and use the animation prompts to create 5 to 6 second animated clips. Download all the animated videos and save them in your 03_video_clips folder. Now, remember that some of your scenes are 10 or 15 seconds long, much longer than the 5 to 6 seconds Grok generates. Here's a really useful technique to seamlessly extend those clips. Once your Grok video is generated, scrub to the very last frame of the clip and save it as a still image. Then take that last frame back into Grok as your new source image and use the same animation prompt to generate a brand new clip. Because the new clip starts exactly where the previous one ended, the two clips join together seamlessly with no visible cut. For a 10-second scene, do this once. You'll have 2 5-second clips that flow perfectly into each other. For a 15-second scene, repeat the process one more time to get a third clip. Chain them together in CapCut, and you have a completely seamless 15-second animated scene. In CapCut, replace the still images with these animated clips. Suddenly your music video has movement, backgrounds animate, your avatar has subtle motion, everything feels more alive. Level 4, lip sync with DreamFace. This is the ultimate version. Your avatar actually sings the song. Here's the workflow. First, identify which scenes in your timeline feature your AI avatar. To export a specific section in CapCut, press I to mark your endpoint, move the playhead to your desired end position, and press O to set the out point. CapCut will highlight that portion of the timeline, allowing you to export just that selected segment. For each avatar scene, export just that video clip from CapCut. File, Export, Custom Range. Export the audio for that same time range as a separate MP3. Then go to DreamFace AI. Select Avatar Video. Upload your video clip. Upload your audio file. Click Generate. DreamFace will create a lip-synced version where your avatar's mouth movements match the audio perfectly. Download the result and import it back into CapCut. Place the lip-synced clip on the timeline above your original clip and mute the audio on the new clip since the original audio track is already there. Repeat this for all your avatar scenes. Now I need to mention, DreamFace's free tier adds a small watermark. For unlimited videos without watermarks, the annual subscription is only $29.99 USD. That's fantastic value if you plan to create multiple videos. If you want to remove the watermark for free, you can try online watermark removers like vmake.ai, though the quality can vary. Or you can simply add a text box in CapCut to cover the watermark area. Each DreamFace generation is limited to 180 seconds, so for longer scenes you'll need to split them into multiple clips, and that's level 4, a fully animated lip-synced AI music video. Before we wrap up, I want to share a few helpful tips I discovered while creating my music video. First, a quick technical note about CapCut exports. Occasionally, your export might get stuck at 5%. If this happens, don't worry. Just click cancel and start the export again. I've found it almost always works on the second attempt. When you're editing and combining your clips in CapCut, don't feel locked into the exact order from your storyboard. Feel free to rearrange scenes to better match your song. For example, I moved some of my AI avatar clips to align with parts of the song that had clearer lyrics, which made the DreamFace lip sync work much better. Also, you would probably find that some clips turned out better than others. That's completely normal. I reused my favorite clips multiple times throughout the video and replaced the one I wasn't happy with. Your music video doesn't need to use every single clip you generated. Finally, CapCut has tons of transitions and effects that can really elevate your video to that professional studio quality. I added quite a few throughout my project. Just keep in mind that some effects and transitions are premium only. You can identify these by the small purple diamond icon in the top corner of the effect thumbnail. Now let's look at the final result.
There's a party packing, acting good, acting good. There's a party packing, acting good. Yeah, we came for the noise. Unwrap the night, make the choice. But the bass on blast. Phone on flight, yeah, we moving fast. Neon drip on a Friday night. We don't wait, we ignite.
And there you have it, a complete workflow for creating AI music videos at any level you choose. You started with nothing and now you have a finished music video created entirely with free AI tools. That's the power of AI. That was just a short sample of the final result. If you'd like to watch the complete music video I created using this exact workflow, I've put a link to the full version in the description below. Here's what we covered across both parts. Creating a consistent AI avatar character with Google Whisk, generating an original song with Suno AI, building level 1 and level 2 videos with still images, animating those images with Grok AI for level 3, adding professional lip sync with DreamFace for level 4, and pro tips for polishing your final video. Everything you need is in the description below. I've created a Google Sheet with every single prompt we used today, the ChatGPT prompts, the Whisk prompts, the Suno prompt, everything. You can copy and customize them for your own projects. The links to all the free tools are there too. CapCut, Google Whisk, ChatGPT, Suno AI, Grok AI, DreamFace. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I create detailed AI tutorials like this every week, breaking down complex workflows into simple, actionable steps. And if you create your own music video using this method, I'd love to see it. Share it in the comments or tag me on social media. Now it's your turn. Open up these tools and start creating. I can't wait to see what you make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Let's keep it practical.